Hi there. Today we are going to set up our AI reply assistant to help you out with the loads of comments that your page receives. To start, we need to go from the social accounts page to the AI reply assistant page. This is your AI reply assistant's main page. From here, you will be managing your AI reply assistants. But first, we need to create one. To start with, click on Create. The first thing we need to do is to name the assistant. In this case, we went simple. We named him Assistant, but you can give it any name you want. After naming, you just need to click on the Create button to continue the process. Here you can define your assistant's whole identity. For example, how you want him to act and reply, what values he represents, and how they should be represented. If you do not want to manually create identity from scratch, don't worry. We have created base identity for you, and you can edit and customize whatever you want. Next up is assigning this assistant to your desired social accounts. You can use one AI reply assistant on multiple social accounts, so you do not have to worry with setting up one for each of your social account. Now let's head to the websites. Here you can add the websites that you want the assistant to have access to and take information from. After adding your desired web page, we can move to the next part of Assistant's knowledge base, which is files. Here you can add files that you want to be another source of knowledge for your assistant. Lastly, we can also add Q&A. Here you can add any of your frequently asked questions and add answers based on your liking. To add any question, click on Add. Once you are happy with the questions and answers, click on Done. When everything is finished, click on Save. To test out your AI reply assistant, you can click on Chat button. Here you can pretend you are the one writing the comments and check how your assistant handles the situation. And that's all. Life just got a little bit easier. Now you have a helping hand in managing the loads of comments that are swarming your social media comment sections.